All right, so I just installed the Zev Compensator on my Glock 17 9mm, and I'm interested to see if the compensator actually does anything. We're gonna find out today. We just installed it. I've never shot with it. It just came in the mail, and we're gonna see what it's all about. What's going on, guys? Patrick here, and today we are out here in beautiful sunny Florida. The Zev Compensator on the front. The idea here is to blow out the gases out of the left and the right and the top to reduce the muzzle going up and down. We want to blow out the gas to the top, so that's actually propelling the muzzle back down, or the barrel back down of the gun. And what that allows us to do, as you can see when I'm shooting, when the gun goes up and the gases come out of the top of the compensator, it then pushes the gun back down. So it'll be the first time that we've shot with this compensator on the gun. We know the gun works flawlessly. We've shot with the gun before. We know that the recoil is not terrible or anything like that, but let's see if the compensator actually makes a difference or not today. I think I paid about $80, $90 for the Zev compensator. Everything with Zev is always gonna be more expensive. First off, I like how this attaches really quickly. Two little bolts on the bottom of the compensator. You twist it on, and then once you get to the point that you want, you just tighten those down, and it's locked on there. Like, it's not gonna move around or do anything crazy. And did cut off a little bit of the holster down at the bottom just to kind of let it slide in there a little bit better. But it does fit in my normal Glock 17 holster, no problem. First shots of the day, not bad right there in the middle of the A on the headshot there. We got the shot we were looking for. I definitely feel less up and down on the gun. The gun definitely stays a lot more on target there. All right, so we'll fire 4 shots into the center of the target, and we'll see if we can get a little bit of a difference in the feel here. Let's go. This one, I kind of just don't even look at that one. It's not there. But 4 shots right there in the center. Gun is staying. All that gas and the pressure that normally comes out of the barrel and just goes out into the atmosphere, that gas is now being rerouted and shot out the sides and on the top, and keeping that barrel right on target there. So let's see if we can get maybe a little bit better grouping here on these next couple shots. So the other day we did a video about this gun, and we shot some slow motion with the barrel kind of action, you know, showing that recoil in that. We're gonna shoot slow motion today with the compensator and then compare the 2 shots. Not gonna say it's scientifically proven, but we should be able to see some type of difference in that recoil, or maybe I'm just getting better at holding the gun and getting better at that. So let's see. All right, so we got a couple shots in slow motion, and I just looked at the camera, and I can obviously tell right away, you know, a big difference in that recoil. I don't know 100% if it's just because of the compensator. I think it also is because my grip is getting better, but in general, really loving the grouping here. Obviously, you know, I could be a little bit tighter, but we're looking for speed, and we're trying to really kind of just showcase the compensator more than anything right now. And yeah, working out beautifully right now. And especially just now, ding, 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 no problem hitting those targets right on. I stayed on target. Again, let's see if we can do just really quick dumps here and just get that, you know, that action. It's on target the whole time, baby. John Wick. We're like John Wick out here, Kevin. Let's go, John Wick. Running through the paces here with the compensator. Like I said, definitely seeing a difference. The gun just feels like it really stays on target much better. I don't feel like I have to really find the target, you know, not that I should anyway, but I definitely feel like that red dot just stays right where it needs to be. And I don't have that muzzle, you know, lift, or just really, I guess, the recoil in general. I felt like I was on target, you know, just that quick like boom, boom, on target, fire, on target, fire, just constantly on target there. So that felt really nice. You know, I can really dial this gun in and really get it dialed in. I feel, like I said, that it definitely makes a difference shooting with the compensator here. You got the Zev Tech compensator. Like I said, I like how it bolts on there. I like how it all fits. It looks good, it matches the gun. No complaints, it works. And that's really all we're looking to do, is have products that work, that are reliable, and I feel pretty good. I feel like I would rely on Zev Tech products. So there it is, compensator on the Glock 17. Some other little goodies on there as well. Loving this gun. It's pretty much my baby at this point. So if you guys haven't already, do me one big favor, hit that like button, subscribe button, all the buttons down below. Leave a comment. What do you guys think? Do compensators actually work? Are they worth the money? Should I just have bought more ammo, or should I have bought the compensator? Let me know down in the comments below. Talk to you guys later on.